Jesus speaks a number of times about the law and the prophets, and they appear together a number of times elsewhere in the Bible. But do we ever read about them in the other order? In this video, I'll show you how to use the before and after operators to search for terms in the order in which they appear in the text. Open a search window and ensure it's set to run a Bible search. Then enter Law before Prophets in the search box and execute the search. This shows all 17 verses in the text where the word law appears before the word prophets, fairly evenly spread across both testaments. Note that there are 35 occurrences, with each search result counting as one occurrence. That suggests that there is one verse where one of the terms appears twice. As you can see from the highlighted results, this is in Romans 3:21. To search for occurrences in the other order, open another search window and enter Law after Prophets in the search box and execute the search. So the before and after operators are really valuable when studying the order of words within the text. And there are a range of training videos that explore different search operators. Please have a look at them to enhance your search capability within Logos.